So this is part of my Black Friday haul. This came from Luna Beauty, which I am very excited. It came relatively quick for coming from the other side of the world. I'm so excited to open my first order from them. I should say that the devil wears press-ons turned me on to Luna Beauty. She turns me on to all the good. Okay, guess what? Nail mail for me. Let's see what this order looks like. Okay, so, and I think the reason I mentioned that was because I got the idea to get this set from Tamara from the Devil Wears Press-Ons. So let me take out the other stuff. They have, to me, the best chromes. And here is the set that I got on Black Friday. I believe I got it for 25% off. I had seen her do it. I had seen her do a video before Black Friday, and I was really going to buy it then. And then I decided, let me just wait a few more days, and I got it for 25% off. You know, you need every discount. Hey, I didn't even see. Look at the damage this thing went through. Looks like it was torn up in a couple places, but I don't care. I'm not going to keep that part anyway. Anyway, okay, let's see what I got. Let's start out with, this must go with this one. Yeah, okay, well, I don't think I need that thing now. I think they were just trying to figure out a way to get it to ship easier and fit in that box. So a little thank you card. Always nice when people do that. And I have one Blanc Blanc. I'm going to pull it out, and I want to be able to compare it to these two that I just ordered. Then this one is 3D. It says, oh, it's a collaboration. Jin B by Seorium IV 3D Multi-Kit. So I believe it's got a few colors in here. I really enjoy the 3D products that I have so far. Like really. So let's see what this looks like. I believe it's just like clay, sculpting clay that you can, ooh, yeah, that opened easily. And that's what that is. So we got pink, white. So these are like colors you might use for, well, the white you could use for anything. The yellow and brown may be like good skin colors or something, I'm guessing. But either way, they're all going to be well used. I love sculpting stuff on nails. It's probably one of my favorite things to do in nail art. So that is 4 colors in one. And then, is that closed properly? I'll look at that later. And then let me do this. I'm going to unpackage this stuff off camera and get rid of this big box so you can look at all the things. Get some swatch sticks perhaps for these. And then I wanted to pull my other Blanc Blanc chrome powder that I have so we can compare to the one that I ordered. Okay, be right back. So this is what the kit contains. I'm guessing that this is a collaboration with Urban Mood and Jello, the brand that makes the Jello makes that peel off base gel that comes with the like oily remover. And so this must be to put your swatches on. I cannot read or understand what it says. Let's look at these containers first, and then we'll go over the colors that came in the kit. So we've got, oh, of course I totally didn't think that they would be taping this up. Sorry, guys. So you get a little container with, oh, yeah, of course, 2 of these. You know what, good. I'm glad they do that. I don't want this stuff all over that box, you know, arriving to me in a million pieces. So, is this one long chain? No. So this is like a regular chain that you can use for your nails. Let me put this here so we can look at these. Wow, man, these are really pretty. Look how sparkly these stones are. There is a bow here. There's a couple different clusters and some tiny, great, get those tweezers out. I don't know what I'm thinking, not using those. I definitely need, come on. Oh well, you know what? I'll get them in a second. Look at this small cluster of 3. That is super cute. Found them. And this, sorry, I was doing a set of press-ons before I started this video. So this one looks like, it looks just like a ring when you put it across your nail. I love that look. It's so elegant. This is a small cluster of 3 and then a large cluster of 3. It's got some really cute charms in here. Yeah, so I love that. Okay, and then I'm gonna have to kind of detangle this chain, but it's not that bad. It's a really cute chain for nails. And I'll end up putting all those in the same container. And then it looks like we have a chrome powder. So I will test that one out when I test the colors. This looks like iridescent flakes. I feel like that stuff is gonna get everywhere. Yeah. A little fail again. I'm just gonna take all the tape off and then open these up. I'll be right back. Okay, I got some of that tape off. Now, let's get back into this. So I'm gonna open this one now. And this is another container full of little stones. This one I'm not gonna take out because it appears to have some really tiny stones in there and I don't wanna lose those in the mix. However, these are not flatbacks and they are quite different from others that you get in at like Shein and Temu. The sparkle is just way better on these. There's a little butterfly there. So yeah, there's a few different shapes here and I really love getting teeny tiny stones. I love that. Yeah, these have so much more sparkle than the others that I get on the other marketplaces. So that is beautiful. So far, I'm happy with those. Next up, we have what appears to be some glitter. So this is going to be, I know I'm looking at the back like I'm going to read it. This is going to be, yeah, just some nice sparkly, icy looking glitter that you can incorporate in a nail look. And this one, is this glitter or chrome? Well, we'll find out. This one appears to be chrome flakes, but I would venture to say that you could even use it for, like in the place of chrome. We'll test that one out. And this last one, I'm pretty sure this is a chrome by the looks of it. So we'll test that one out as well. So I'm going to put this one over here. That's the one, that's the chrome that came with the set. And then the other items, I'm just placing them off to the side. I'm just going to show you what came in this package and then I'll do a different video using these products. I did bring out the one that I already have by Blanc Blanc, one of my favorite. So I can tell you that it says W68 and this one is W67. And then this one is W66. So I got 2 more in this line that I didn't have, and this is the existing one that I have. So I'm going to kind of separate this one a little bit. So now let's take a look at the polishes that we got here. We've got, so I'm just going to show the number here at the bottom and open it up for you to see. Oh, what a beautiful purple milky gel. So pretty. Next up, looks like it's going to be a beige or yeah, definitely like a milky, I can never have enough of these. I would probably say I have like 5 backups of different brands. I'm like, well, I'll be using them, so let's keep piling them up. Here's a third one. That looks like orange, right? Ooh, a nude. Great. All of these are so good so far. Such a good nude. I am liking it, everything so far. This one appears to be a pink. Hopefully it's a pink nude. Oh, I think I see that at the end, so probably not. Yeah, this is just a regular pink syrup gel. Equally as gorgeous. And we have a nice green here. I bet this is going to be like a minty green. Ooh, it's a sage green. I have one similar to this by Doi. Very pretty. Like you can use that for jade nails and stuff. You guys, I have been collecting ideas on Pinterest for Lunar New Year. That's the next set of nails that I really want to get into and start playing around doing some of those. And then this is like a pink nude. Oh, they're all so good. They're all very practical. Now I know there's a purple and a green, but still, they're practical. They can be used as background colors for lots of nail sets. So this is what I think I'm going to do. I think I'm going to swatch these. I brought my swatch sticks over. I think I'm going to swatch these over some music. And then afterwards, once I'm done swatching, I will... No, I changed my mind. What I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch these off camera. I'm going to do 1 or 2 on camera just so that you can see the consistency and how they go on. And then I'm going to make sure I get all the colors swatched so you can see. And then I think we'll pick like the regular nude colors to put our chrome powder on top of and see how that looks. Okay, be back in a second. So let's get back into these. I did the first coat and I showed you those, but then off camera I went in and did these swatch sticks with the second coat. I prefer to show you, I already showed you how they apply, so I just want to show you what they look like. Ooh, let me back these up because I need a white background. And I'll put these down here so you can see which 3 I'm swatching. Okay, and this is the shades. So probably just what you expected, a sheer, lightly pigmented, but very beautiful color. I love all the nudes. They're going to be so useful. And then these are not necessarily nudes, but they certainly are going to be fun to use. And so here we have the purple one with 2 coats. Oh, 2 coats and a top coat. We've got the kind of jade green one. And this I thought was a milky white, but it's got a hint of yellow. And I mean, so does the bottle. It's got a hint of yellow. So it's not necessarily a milky white. It is definitely milky, but maybe more like a natural nail color. So that's the swatches of those. And since they have the top coat on them, I'm going to go ahead and start putting some, what am I putting on here? Powder. Chrome. Is this considered chrome or is it iridescent? I do not know. But let's pull out some of these neutrals so that we can see what they look like. I want to go ahead and show you what the existing one that I have. This is the Blanc Blanc W68. And I'm going to show you what this one looks like. So I did not purchase this one recently, but it is one of my favorite ones. It goes on so nicely. You're not supposed to do it with your finger, but here we are. And this one has kind of like a blue hue to it. And I never have problems with this. I mean, it's gorgeous. There's nothing else to say. It goes on easy. It's got a beautiful hue to it. I will use the applicators for the other ones, but I just want to show you the one that I already have, okay? So there is that one. And then we'll go with let's go with the Jello JP12. Let's see what kind of a hue this has to it. And let's put it over this one. So I just went in and tapped some. You see what I mean? There's no problem. They don't skip. Everything is perfect. It's so quick, so easy, so quick. I guess this has like a few different colors, but the main one that I see is pink. Perfect. Perfection. What else do you need to know about it? It goes on great, and the colors are gorgeous. Okay, so let's go. We got 2 more. W67. This one looks like it has a pink hue as well. but we'll find out. Let's do this. I like to take from the cap first. This one, okay, so this one I would say a little bit of purple. Yeah. If you are struggling with those other chromes out there that you buy from the really affordable marketplaces, if you can just try one of these one time, you will say to yourself, okay, I'm never going to spend tons of money on the other ones trying to find the right one. Just spend, you know, this one was like $8 or $9. You really don't need that much, and they come out perfect every single time. Every single time. Okay? Doesn't matter what top coat you have, doesn't matter what applicator you use, they come out great. And last but not least, let's do this guy here. The W66 by Blanc Blanc. This one looks a little darker, so looking forward to seeing this. Oh, it's probably just a silver chrome. But you know how it is. Oh, that is so pretty. You know how it is with silver. You can never have enough. It's always going to be used all year round. You see, is that a good spot to do it in? Yeah. Sorry, I have to get in there, move this along. Beautiful. So, so nice. So cool. Love it. I'm glad I got that one. I love having a good quality silver. Okay, so that was fun. Thanks for hanging out with me. I think this is some of the last of my Black Friday stuff. Like I said, I think I'm going to do a separate video using some of these products. If you want to see that, let me know. Otherwise, I'll just move on to my other list of items that I have to do videos for. I really, really like everything that came in the mail today, and I'm so excited to play with it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.